Welcome to Razorpay. In this video, we will dive into how to set up other payment providers on Shopify. This is a great feature to use if you want to offer additional payment options beyond Shopify payments and PayPal. To get started, head over to your Shopify admin and click on Settings at the bottom left. Then click on Payments to open the Payment Settings page. In the Payments section, scroll down to Add Payment Method. This is where you can choose an additional payment provider for your store. Click on Choose a provider to select the one you prefer. Let's start by setting up 2Checkout. 2Checkout is one of the most popular payment gateways. To activate it, click on Install and log into your 2Checkout account. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect your 2Checkout account to Shopify. Now, let's set up another provider like Klarna or Checkout.com. Similar to Stripe, click on Install, log into your account, and follow the instructions to connect it to your Shopify store. Once you've added the payment providers, go back to the payment section to verify that the new provider is listed. This ensures that your payment options are fully set up. That's it for today's tutorial. Now you know how to add third-party payment providers to your Shopify store. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.